Nala super.
Awkward
So
silence.
Awkward silence for the next 1 hour.
Ambient sleeping
What
sounds.
we are doing. Hello guys.
Eksan, are you rolling?
Yes.
Acha, oh.
This is the first podcast we're doing. What is this podcast about?
Can we
Go.
switch to
First world problems.
cultural commentary?
Kabhi kabhar real world issues. Nothing political.
Oh, how liberal.
Real world issues, nothing political.
I agree with Dhruv. It should be about first world problems.
So
it's
I
going
think-
basically just going to be about all of our different opinions and compare.
Yeah.
See
I
what.
think we should focus more on clashing opinions rather than.
Ha.
Interesting.
Favorite animals.
Is a vada pav burger.
Okay. This is a point
Is
where
a
I
vada
make
pav
this
a burger?
disclaimer.
No, it's
सोया था और मेरे
Who is a
सपनों में
journalist?
दूसरे सपनों में टोपी पड़ो
Big size.
रेवा ठक्कर ने टॉपिक दिया है ठीक है कांग्रेट्स
Correct.
Reva Thakkar, if you are watching this,
लाइक
Good job.
शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब
I really do.
ओके इज वड़ा पाव burger
no.
The point is vada pav a sandwich?
what is the difference between a burger and a sandwich
A burger is a type of sandwich. Sandwich is the bigger umbrella that a burger belongs to.
It's,
I completely disagree
there was a
a sandwich is not a burger and a burger is not a sandwich क्यों sandwich has a variety of fillings उसके अंदर तुम
burger has a
By
variety of
definition,
flavors.
burger के
sandwich,
अंदर always
eggs,
has
ham.
one big thing it can have either an aloo patty
Double down
chicken
burger.
patty, double down
उसमें बीच में
burger
कुछ नहीं है. There is no chicken patty.
There is no. It's two pieces of
it is
chicken.
not a burger or a वो तुम जो चीजों
The
को जोड़ के उसको थोड़ी
definition
बनाते हो
of
तो फिर क्या
sandwich
Yeah, the
is
technical-
anything
ये भी
between
burger है
two
तो फिर।
breads.
Two
Anything
bread
between two breads
With
is
there is a
sandwich.
there is a percentage of how much filling
vegetable filling.
between two pieces of bread,
Hmm.
and there is a percentage of like 60 to 70% of filling.
the difference between a burger and a sandwich इसके sandwich के अंदर
नहीं, they are
there is a
different.
variety of fillings नहीं तूने बोला ना umbrella
Yes, umbrella.
Yeah, that's true.
burger has one thing in it which dominates it जैसे कि महाराजा मैक के अंदर एक चिकन पैटी है वेज बर्गर के अंदर एक आलू टिक्की पैटी है with
Sandwiches,
some
for
toppings
Wraps are not part of a sandwich.
Because it's
that
not
was
two
technically
wrap is
proven.
not a sandwich by any measure
हाँ,
Agreed.
लोगों ने contest किया
At
था.
best, that's a
What?
roll.
Yeah,
Please, no.
ये actually
तो फिर by that logic shawarma भी sandwich है
people debated it. The wraps, the chicken wraps were,
Please, no.
but आगे जाके it was disproved obviously by
हाँ,
the
horrifying.
authorities.
Not a burger.
does burger come under the umbrella of sandwich
Yeah,
does a burger come under the umbrella of a sandwich
Khushi.
Yes.
Of course.
Tell us.
Yes.
Aryan, tell us otherwise.
I
Yeah,
won't
it just
I
add
won't
on again.
exceed I won't accede to it but
Brand
I'll
integration.
let
Because
it
you
slide.
can't.
homemade kombucha.
If a sandwich is something
Pineapple.
between two breads,
Yeah.
then vada pav cannot be a sandwich
because it's
Why?
one bread
because it's one bread which
Between
is
two slices of bread.
It's not two slices. It's just
it's one it's
So
one pav
does that
split
make
किया
a
गया है
vada
No,
pav?
that-
That would make it more like a burger than a sandwich because burger is one piece
Bun
of
जिसको
bread
cut किया
which
गया
has been cut into two.
लेकिन bread
But
भी लोग से
also-
cut होता है
But
ना.
then is vada pav also a wrap? Because a wrap is you open a piece of bread and then you close it around something. Controversy, yeah, but
It can't be a wrap because it's bread.
Bread
Fluffy
is
wala bread.
defined as something that has had yeast in it.
Yeah, tortilla doesn't have yeast.
Tortilla doesn't have yeast.
Correct.
interesting very interesting
Correct.
very interesting okay
Wait, so
now
is
we're getting
beer
even this-
bread?
Even this.
is beer a bread
Is beer a bread?
Yeah, beer is technically
beer
bread.
is
Yes.
bread
It does smell like
Name of the
It has
title.
sugar,
Beer
it is fermented, and it has yeast. Beer
it
is
has no
liquid
flour.
bread.
It has no
it has no
flour.
flour
No, it doesn't have any flour.
Depends on what
conspiracy
cocktail I'm
theory
making.
disproven okay vada pav burger
No.
no
About the slices वाला, even sandwich is
Is a
loaf
big
cut
loaf.
into slices.
हाँ नहीं वो मैं समझ गया
तो फिर
is vada pav burger
is vada pav a burger? I'll say a vada pav is a sandwich, not a burger.
interesting vada pav is a burger is vada pav a burger or a sandwich
No.
Or none.
what is it
I don't think it's a burger. It
Kuch mat
can
karta.
pass for a sandwich.
क्या Impossible?
It can pass for a sandwich, but not for a burger.
Yeah,
can
it is
pass
more
for a
likely to
sandwich.
pass as a sandwich than a
But
burger.
yeah,
100%
I agree.
there.
नहीं I disagree
of course you.
is
disagree.
vada pav a burger
You get to disagree.
नहीं it is closer to a burger than a sandwich
No.
yes think about it ना I mean it has one
Technical terms.
Wait.
जब भी तुम सैंडविच सोचते हो बराबर क्लासिकल
Possible.
सैंडविच ओके वी आर नॉट गेटिंग इनटू टेक्निकल
Prototype. The prototype of
yeah
sandwich.
it is a sliced
proto
bread
burger.
के बीच में माल मसाला जिसको बंद किया है
Perfect.
simple doesn't a pav not technically is closer to a burger bun than a sandwich sliced bread दूर से देखो तो
See, I get that. It is closer
गोल
to burger.
पाव गोल burger bun sliced bread, completely different.
You know what he sounds like?
Chef Aryaman.
He sounds like Jumbo King का paid promoter. कि नहीं हमारा बर्गर है हमारा ग्रिल वड़ा पाव बर्गर है नहीं वड़ा पाव मत बोलो.
But मेरा point ये है उसको डिस्प्रूव करके बता. A pav is closer to a burger bun than sliced bread.
But if you think
इतना तो
about
एक्सेप्ट
it,
कर
Okay.
सकते हो.
Visually, yes.
Burger
visually,
I'm going
yes,
to-
sure.
I'm
but
going
if you
to
think
use
about
a-
the taste of a pav is more closer to
To
a
bread.
bread than if
Then
you think about it.
bun, हाँ.
Than to a bun.
No, no.
But then a
I,
sourdough bun ka burger will not be a burger.
You get this closer
If
to
you're
a
talking
bread.
about taste.
It gets closer. It is bread literally.
No,
It's
but
like
if-
saying मैं सैंडविच बंस मतलब बंस पे सैंडविच बना लूं.
Ladies and gentlemen, group.
Take second. What?
I would like to
Ah.
give 3 explanations.
Yeah,
I have
that's
3 explanations.
You got one.
First explanation is the easiest to follow if you don't want to think too much. If you use yeast and flour, if you use yeast and flour, it's a sandwich. If the mixture of the yeast and flour you make is slightly round or circular in shape, then it's a burger.
So the mold makes it
Yes,
a different.
it does. But here is my other thing. The second explanation I have is that any form of incorporation of bread, how you process it, whether you bake it or you steam it or anything, completely different from its end result. Which is why if you go to China, they have baos, there are burgers, and then there are vada paos. Keep them completely separately. Because this idea that all of it should be under one little umbrella doesn't seem very
Liberal.
yes, it just seems like you're just
Like not
trying to
political term but like
Putting
ऐसा.
them in
हाँ.
a box.
Okay, so technical term में एक पीस को अगर तुम बेक करोगे एंड वो राउंड है जिसको तुम कट करके बीच में डालोगे तो वो एक बर्गर बना.
हाँ.
अगर तुम एक लोफ बनाते हो जिसको तुम स्लाइस करते हो
You
तो वो
can't
sandwich
different.
bread है.
I don't think that's how.
ये तो सबसे लॉजिकल सोल्यूशन हुआ ना.
But
No,
yeah, it
of
can't
course.
be boiled down to it.
I'm not talking between burger and vada pav and sandwich. उनकी बात ही नहीं कर रहा. The first let's get cleared up the difference between the breads. Sandwich वाली bread is a loaf जिसको slice करते हैं and
नहीं.
burger वाली bread is एक singular piece जिसको rise करते हैं और फिर उसके बीच में cut
We are
मार के
not
बीच
talking
में
about difference between sandwich bread and burger buns. We are talking difference between burgers and sandwich, which depends on
अगर हम
how they are
burger bun
made.
and sandwich bun को differentiate
Like
करेंगे
fully formed sandwiches or fully formed burger.
हाँ but अब वो
fully
तो
formed
obviously हम
vada pav.
debate करते रहेंगे ना तो
Hmm.
the roots of it.
हाँ.
What is
Like
a
breaking
burger
it
bun?
down to little
हाँ.
things.
No, no,
What is a burger bun?
there is a thing.
Something
There is a thing.
individually bake किया
Yes.
वो rise करता है
Yes.
and अब वो
Rice
एक
करता
इकलौता
है.
हाँ
Wanna emphasis on that.
इकलौता piece
Mhm.
जिसको तुम कट मारते हो it is a single product
Correct,
but a
correct.
loaf
Hmm.
is something जो तुम ट्रे में बनाते हो and it creates multiple
And
sandwiches
there is no rise. in
There is
it.
no
It's
rise,
a
it is flat.
Correct.
क्योंकि you slice it
Okay,
that
I
is
would,
the intrinsic difference
I would like to bring
by
in,
that logic वड़ा पाव के अंदर जो पाव है उसको तुम राइस करते हो
हाँ,
and it is a single piece
हाँ,
जिसको
but
तुम
then वो तो burger भी rise होता है.
हाँ and hence vada pav is a burger.
But then if vada pav is a burger and a burger is a burger, so then by the thing that it's a single piece, is a sub sandwich also a burger?
A sub sandwich is a
A Subway sandwich is
हाँ.
a burger.
वो
she
भी एक
means a
loaf
foot
होता है.
long.
single.
Wait, calm down.
Producer's
You
job,
were saying
throwing
something
difficult
Yeah.
points.
I have something to say. Okay, from a historical point of view, in 1794, France, right after an entire revolution where hundreds of thousands of people were killed, this was the first thing the French did, and that was to actually pass an act of parliament to define what bread is, what it should use, and what are you legally allowed to call it. So,
Petition to make that for pound.
Yeah, because
So,
pav came very close to India.
a baguette,
Hmm.
and any other bread that comes anywhere close to it is defined by French law as something that uses salt, flour, yeast, and water. If it uses anything more than these four things, then it cannot be defined as a bread.
But does
Anything
India?
more?
Bread or baguette?
Baguette, but it came under the wider umbrella term of
उसकी
bread.
baguette ना
तो वो पहले ही
But in 2018, the bread itself, sliced bread, was regarded as a World Heritage Artifact by UNESCO.
That
Hence,
is true.
this definition of these four ingredients has been set in stone. If it has these four things,
For bread.
it's bread. And if it uses bread and has filling in the middle, it's a sandwich.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
ये
Does India India abide and agree with the foreign rule? Does India agree
हम
And
हिंदुस्तान
abide
में
with
रहते हैं.
its
Yeah.
own rules.
and shelter its own local
Decide
product
करने के
POW
decide है.
within this ambit? Or does it go
Technically,
liberal?
technically, the right to protect its heritage, which would come under Maharashtra and not India, since Maharashtra is the only place where power appears.
It's a
That's not
municipal
true.
corporation.
It is. It is completely
Yeah.
true.
Is
It actually started with Mumbai, sorry,
Exactly.
Maharashtra, and then it was
Goa also makes उसका अलग form.
That's Poi.
Poi. That's
Yeah.
Poi.
That's a complete. Are you trying to take over Goan culture? Holy shit! You don't like Goans? Oh my god!
Chat. The big paw
Vada
tried
pav
to
is
Because
kill
vada
it.
pav ka bun
The
does
big
not
pav.
use sliced bread. It cannot
Oh,
be a
assassination
sandwich.
attempt
At
one.
places it is served.
Don't you mean sliced through?
Slice through. One loaf के multiple वो is
Okay.
equal to sandwich bread. एक object को cut करके दो किया, that is burger bread.
So
But
Subway
it's still
sandwiches
bread.
are burgers.
And all of them are still sandwiches.
All of them are
All of them are
breads.
sandwiches.
And all of them are still
Okay.
sandwiches.
Here's the
Fine.
logical
Wait,
aspect.
You
Here's the
agree
logical
that
aspect.
Is
sandwich
burger
and
a sandwich? Yes. Anything between two pieces of bread is a sandwich.
Yeah, but does vada pav fall under the subcategory of burger?
Yes.
no.
Yes.
It falls
No.
in
It is
Because
circular.
it is
It has bread and it has filling. That
It has
is a
those
burger.
Multiple slices का बनाया हुआ ना. एक साइड पे burger बन रहा है, एक साइड पे sliced bread लग. What is it more similar to? Logically speaking.
visually speaking.
Visually
Just because
speaking.
of
वो
what it
visually
looks
similar
like
है.
does not mean it makes it the same thing.
So what makes it a bread? बता. What makes a pav sliced bread? बता. Pav is equal to sliced bread.
I mean, if you think about it, the taste is closer to a sliced bread than
No,
to
it
a
is closer.
burger's
No,
bun.
it is closer to a burger's bun. The texture and the taste.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not.
Have you ever had a vada pav?
But again,
Wait.
what it actually
So does
is.
that mean? Do you mean brioche or do you mean normal
Burger
wheat?
bun historically always had sesame seeds.
Very true.
Historically, historically, McDonald's के
Okay.
अंदर कितने
Very
sesame seed
convenient.
वाले हैं? वो तो है ना फिर भी burger.
नहीं, वो भी डालते हैं. भले
हाँ.
नाम के डालते
Fillet
हो.
of fish में नहीं डालते.
नाम
Does
के
that
डालते
stop
हैं.
being a sandwich? नहीं डालते.
That's a steamed bread.
Sesame seeds का argument gone long
Wait,
ago.
so does that
ये
mean that if
90%
bread
burger
is
में no
steamed,
sesame
it's no
seeds.
longer a burger?
But they do sell it at the name of burger.
मेरे हिसाब से देख.
So
But
does
that
a
is-
patty define a burger?
मेरे हिसाब से the presence of a patty means it's a burger. क्योंकि sandwiches do not contain patties.
Subway
They do, Subway
sandwich
sandwiches do
doesn't
contain
contain a
patty.
patty.
No, it contains a bunch of vegetables.
it
No, no.
contains
There is
patties.
patties.
कौन सा?
Veg delight में है.
Veg
Veg
has a-
Delight is a subsection of the Subway sandwich. It is not the sandwich itself. The first Subway sandwich that was made had slices of meat in it. It did
Slices
not
of
have-
cold cuts, vegetables and sauces. That is a typical sandwich.
But they
वो तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ MG Comet गाड़ी है वो
So
ओरिजिनल
does
गाड़ी
this
है नहीं हो
sesame
सकती है ओरिजिनल कुछ और
argument
दिखती
still
थी
stands as well then in that
How?
case.
Oh.
That's how it works, right? Like things change with time. So does the definition also change with time?
हाँ, it does.
So are we
So,
talking about
again,
currently does it
so
agree?
exactly.
Or like are we
You
मुझे
said-
समझ
okay,
गया।
Arman, okay, Arman.
Okay, बोल
You
बोल
said
बोल.
क्योंकि sesame seed अब common नहीं है
बराबर.
तो वो
तो भी हमने
it's not
इंक्लूड किया
हाँ,
उसको.
तो अब अगर सब सैंडविचेस में पैटीज अब डलना चालू हो गई है so does that argument still stand?
And it's not even about
तो what you're
about
trying to
veg
say
version of
इसके
it.
अगर सेसमी सीड्स निकालने के बावजूद अगर हम उसको बर्गर को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं तो पैटी डालने के बावजूद हम क्यों नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर सकते
हाँ.
उसको एज अ सैंडविच
Correct.
इंटरेस्टिंग
Sesame was not traditionally put because Germany does not have sesame.
we are now turning to Nazi debate Germany
We-
I did not
Who
see
with
that
you?
coming.
तो
Okay,
okay,
so
very very valid point
hamburgers.
very valid point
It started with
Very good
Hamburg.
point.
If you start with burgers, the word hamburger, the burger came from Hamburg.
Hamburger.
And hamburger came from Hamburg.
Hamburg in
Correct.
Germany.
City in Germany.
Yeah.
And people from Hamburg came to the American docks and put up their bread. They put a patty in it and they sold it.
But
to,
they had ham patty.
dock workers.
Yeah.
टेक्निकली देखा जाए तो एनीथिंग नॉट हैम इज नॉट अ बर्गर
वही
तो मतलब हमें ड्रैग करना पड़ेगा डेफिनेशन को विद द टाइम्स
obviously
With the time and the geographic location.
क्योंकि
इज वड़ा पाव अ बर्गर और अ सैंडविच
it's closer to a sandwich than a burger.
Sandwich.
Closer to a sandwich than a burger.
Burger.
anyway.
me and Sama vote for burger they three vote for
That's because the
sandwich.
both of us are educated.
which is funny क्योंकि ये मास्टर्स कर गया
और applause to it.
ये
okay
ये
so
technically.
unfortunately आज का डिबेट का vote passes in favor of vada pav is unfortunately a sandwich I don't agree but